Two more to go in a very well balanced race. Miss Alaska by Kodiak, the market leader of the race, very positive and regular in the period, often in the money. Good second behind Barton Kiover. Last time out is definitely the one to beat. Miss Alaska, currently price 7-2 for this filly by Kodiak. Declamation, another good runner, positive in the season, widely acclaimed, one of the last shot of the race, been last time winner, second last time winner, then 6 out of 14 last out, obvious number 9, Dangerous If, only back to its best, Sopran Beethoven, the one in front, in good shape, this called by Fragi. Out of the money in the race won by Declamation last time out, but in a good period and able to take a place in the money. Ovvio is going in widely acclaimed, number 7. One more to go. Miss Alaska. And then Dorico. One more to complete the loading process. Ready. Thereof and racing Sopran Beethoven in green and red cap, Nair in green and red down to the center of the company, is taking the lead, left in second outside, Dorico in dark black, Miss Alaska in white, silk in third, left behind the white face and the yellow silk of Ovvio. Taea, widely acclaimed, is the one in orange and blue, wider from the rail, that is making ground, left on the rear side behind the Ovvio. Declamation, the back marker of the race. Around the far bend, they are going to travel Dorico, the early speed of the race. Then comes Dorico and Grey Hurricane, Miss Alaska, widely acclaimed, Nair. Then comes Taea out of the bend, the final stretch. 3 furlongs left to travel. Dorico is the one to catch. Miss Alaska down to the center of the track is trying to make some ground. Widely acclaimed is another one that trying to put the front in view, and Dorico is still clear in front. Sopran Beethoven, widely acclaimed. Miss Alaska is well beaten. Taea from the back with Dorico that is under the strong whip to keep the pace. Widely acclaimed. Sopran Beethoven, then the acclamation, but Dorico in back to back goes on to win. Sopran Beethoven, widely acclaimed in second and third. Dorico 187. That's the provisional result here in Pisa, San Rossore, well behind Dorico. 3-4 lengths, 8-7, and then in fourth, number 2, the acclamation, 1-8-7-2. That's the provisional result here in Pisa. First race in the day.